Hello my friends, welcome back. Let me ask you a simple question today. What if I told you that right now, in 2026, there are 3 government benefits available to Canadian seniors that thousands of people are simply not claiming? Not because they don't qualify, but because nobody told them. My friends, today I want to make sure that you are not one of those people. Because every dollar you are entitled to is a dollar you have already earned. So make yourself comfortable, pour yourself a cup of tea, and let us go through this together, carefully and honestly. Now before we begin, as always, my honest reminder to you. I am not a certified financial planner. I am not a tax professional. Everything I share with you today comes from publicly available information, directly from the Government of Canada, from Canada.ca, and from Service Canada. For your personal situation, please always speak with a licensed financial advisor or visit your nearest Service Canada office. They are there to help you, and their service is free. Now, I also want to say something important before we start. If anyone ever calls you on the phone, claiming to be from CRA or Service Canada, and asks for your banking information or your SIN number, please hang up immediately. The real government will never call you asking for this information over the phone. Never. Please remember this. And please share this warning with your family. Now, let us look at the 3 benefits that many Canadian seniors are missing right now. Benefit number 1, and this one surprises so many people I speak with. It is called automatic tax filing. Now let me explain why this matters so much. Many Canadian seniors, especially those with lower incomes, do not file their taxes every year. And I completely understand why. It feels complicated. It feels unnecessary when your income is small. But my friends, this is one of the most costly mistakes a senior can make. Here is the truth. Almost every government benefit you are entitled to, the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time credit, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, provincial rebates, all of them, are calculated based on your tax return. If your tax return is not filed, the government does not know what you qualify for. And those benefits simply do not reach you. Now here is the good news. The Government of Canada has announced a new automatic tax filing program, starting for the 2026 tax year. This means that for eligible low-income Canadians, the CRA will automatically file a simple tax return on their behalf, so they receive every benefit they qualify for. But here is my practical advice for today. Do not wait for this automatic system. File your taxes now. Every year. Without fail. If you need help, there is a completely free program called the Community Volunteer Income Tax Program, also known as CVITP. Trained volunteers will prepare and file your tax return at no cost to you. The real benefit. You may be missing hundreds, or even thousands of dollars every single year, simply because your tax return was not on file. Please call Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914 or visit canada.ca/CVITP for free tax filing help. Benefit number 2 is one that has genuinely changed lives for many Canadian seniors. It is called the Canadian Dental Care Plan. Now I know many of you have heard about this. But I still meet seniors every week who have not applied, or who are not sure if they qualify. So let me explain this simply and clearly. If you are 65 or older, do not have private dental insurance, and your annual income is under $90,000, you may be eligible for this plan. The plan covers basic dental services. Things like checkups, cleanings, fillings, and more. And coverage has been expanding to include additional procedures. Now here is my honest word of caution, because I always want to be truthful with you. The exact procedures covered, and any copayment amounts, can change over time. What is covered today may be slightly different in a few months. So please, do not rely only on what I tell you in this video. Here is my practical advice. Step 1, visit canada.ca/dental to check your eligibility. Step 2, call your dentist's office and simply ask, do you accept the Canadian Dental Care Plan? Most dentists know exactly what is covered and can guide you. Step 3, apply directly through your My Service Canada account online. It takes about 15 minutes. The real benefit, my friends. For so many seniors on fixed income, dental care has been completely out of reach for years. This plan is genuinely helping people afford the care they need. Please visit canada.ca/dental or call 1-888-999-2132 for the Canadian Dental Care Plan. Benefit number 3, and please listen carefully to this one. It is about making sure your OAS and GIS payments are correct and uninterrupted. Now let me share something important with you. OAS, Old Age Security, and GIS, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, are reviewed and adjusted every single quarter. Every 3 months. Based on changes in the cost of living. In fact, OAS benefits have increased by over 2% in the past year alone to help seniors keep up with rising prices. But here is what many seniors do not realize. These payments, as important as they are, can be delayed, reduced, or even stopped for completely avoidable reasons. And the most common reason? Outdated information with Service Canada. So here is my very practical advice for you today. Please check these 3 things right now, this week. Number 1, is your current mailing address up to date with Service Canada? Number 2, is your direct deposit banking information correct? Number 3, have you filed your most recent tax return? If any one of these 3 things is missing or outdated, your monthly payment can be affected. And fixing it is completely free and simple. Now I also want to say something clearly about things you may have seen on social media. There are rumors going around that the government is cutting OAS or GIS payments. My friends, please do not believe these rumors. OAS and GIS are indexed to inflation. They are protected programs. And I always encourage you to verify any news you hear directly at canada.ca before worrying about it. The real benefit of staying updated. Your money arrives on time every single month without any interruption. To update your information today, visit my Service Canada account at canada.ca or call 1-800-277-9914. Now my friends, before I give you the recap, I must share one more thing. And this one is not about money. It is about protection. Every year, when government benefits are in the news, scammers become very active. They call seniors. They send fake emails. They pretend to be from CRA or Service Canada. They say things like, "You have unclaimed money waiting. Just confirm your banking details." Or, "Your OAS payment has been suspended. Call us immediately." Please, do not believe these calls or messages. The real CRA and Service Canada will never call you asking for your SIN number or banking details over the phone. If you receive such a call, hang up. Do not press any numbers. Do not give any information. Then call the real Service Canada directly at 1-800-277-9914. And please, share this warning with every senior you know. Our community deserves to be protected. Before the recap, my standard honest reminder. Everything I have shared today is based on publicly available Government of Canada information. But programs change. Eligibility rules change. Amounts change. Please do not make financial decisions based only on this video. Always verify directly at canada.ca, or speak with a licensed financial advisor, or visit Service Canada in person. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Please always consult a licensed advisor for your personal situation. So let us bring it all together, my friends. Today we covered 3 important benefits that many Canadian seniors are missing right now. Benefit 1, free automatic tax filing, and the Community Volunteer Tax Program, so you never miss a benefit you are entitled to. Benefit 2, the Canadian Dental Care Plan, which may cover your dental care at little or no cost, if you qualify. Benefit 3, making sure your OAS and GIS payments are correct by keeping your address, your banking details, and your tax return all up to date. And our bonus reminder, please protect yourself from scams. The real government will never call asking for your banking details. Now I have a small question for you, my friend. Which one of these 3 things are you going to check first? Write it in the comments below. I read every single message you send me. If this video was helpful to you today, please give it a thumbs up. It helps other Canadian seniors find this honest information when they need it most. And please subscribe to Senior Wealth Wisdom so you never miss our next video. Coming up next. CPP at 60 versus 70, the one decision that could change your entire retirement. Until then, my friends. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. You worked hard your whole life. You deserve every single benefit that is coming to you.